let's talk for a minute about banks. Now, what is the role of a bank? They hold our deposits and then they loan out that money at a higher interest rate than they are paying the depositor for that money. For every $1 on deposit, a bank can turn around and loan out $9. So where else do banks keep their money? They, one, loan it out to earn a higher interest rate that we just talked about, and two, they keep it in bank-owned life insurance. Have you heard of that before? I really wasn't aware of that until I got into the life insurance industry. So why would a bank keep money in life insurance policies? Well, there's several reasons, actually. The liquidity, you have access to that cash value at any time. It offers predictable rates of return without having your money in the stock market where it is subject to stock market losses when the stock market goes down. And they're looking at predictable rates of return with money inside of their life insurance policy. So here's a list of different uses and benefits of bank-owned life insurance. Let's take a look. So a BOLI can be used to offset expenses like those incurred by health issues, workman's comp, disability insurance, and more. It is broken beyond being merely a supplementary fund for a retirement package. The presence of a BOLI increases the number of options you have in designing an investment strategy for a bank investment. It's worth mentioning again the tax-deferred nature of the growing investment and the tax-free death benefit. The rare ability to increase your overall economic yields on investments and decrease your overall debt, all without adversely affecting your investment risk as pertains to your entire portfolio. Bank-owned life insurance can be optimal addition to portfolio diversification without adding to risk. BOLI provides a great net of return on earnings and increased shareholder value if structured properly. An often overlooked benefit to BOLI is the fact that they are usually issued by highly rated insurance companies. Yes, you want an A-rated insurance company, which means the chance for default or bankruptcy or other negative situations is remote. The tax advantages enjoyed by BOLI are usually absent in other non-qualified retirement packages or benefit plans. In fact, this is what makes BOLI such a good supplement as a component of more general deferred compensation packages. So wow, look at that, you guys. So why don't the banks tell us about this? They want us to put our money in CDs and money markets when they're taking our money and putting it into life insurance for themselves. How much money are they putting into life insurance? Let's look. So as of the third quarter in 2019, almost 3,800 banks own $190 billion in bank-owned life insurance policies. For example, Bank of America owns $22 billion. JP Morgan Chase owns $11 billion. And Wells Fargo owns $18 billion in BOLI assets. Wow, that's quite a lot of money. So what I started doing, instead of keeping my money in my savings account at my bank, earning, a 0.25%, 0.5%, I moved the destination address of my savings account. Instead of having it earn nothing for me, I'm putting it into my life insurance policy, where now I'm going to start earning that average of 6% interest on that, and where it's, protected from stock market losses too. So let's see. What else do we talk about here? And the growth and the cash value of the policies, as well as any death benefits paid out, are completely tax-free. In a specific sense, bank-owned life insurance is a permanent life insurance policy purchased primarily to recover costs of employee benefits and offset liabilities for retirement benefits. That's exactly what I'm doing with my life insurance policy. I'm going to use it as retirement benefits. So this helps banks to keep up with their ever-rising benefit costs. Basically, if you're a bank president or CEO, you purchase bank-owned life insurance for certain employees to provide them in their eventual retirement. Even better return on their Tier 1 assets, as well as hedged against financial failure. Wow, that is pretty interesting stuff, and things that aren't really talked about to the general public. So how come we don't know these secrets that the banks are doing to grow their wealth? So a little insight on what banks are doing and how we can accomplish the same things for ourselves. If you want to learn more about this and how your family can benefit from using life insurance policies yourself, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you.